Welcome all. I am Sujit Sahu. Today I am going to present my topic Impact of COVID-19 on transportation industries. First, introduction. To begin with, transportation industries are broadly categorized into two types: passenger transportation and freight transportation. Freight transportation compared to passenger transportation provides more revenue. Hence, as per transportation industries, freight transportation is more important. This presentation is divided into the following categories: predicting the impact of epidemic outbreak on global supply chains, the importance of logistic and supply chain for pandemic conditions, the effect of travel restriction on spread of 2019 novel coronavirus outbreak, the customized train of railways. These events are arranged in almost a chronological order. Predicting the impact of epidemic outbreak on global supply chains. A supply chain is a network between a company and its supplier to produce and distribute a specific product to its final buyer. This is a simulation model developed by Ivanov D, which articulates the specific features that frame epidemic outbreak as a unique type of supply chain disruption risk and demonstrates how simulation-based methodology can be used to examine and predict the impacts of epidemic outbreaks. Simulation of a global supply chain company selling total 5 different products, mostly lightning rod. This is the supply chain design of the company which we have simulated. We can see the customer, the distribution center, the factories and the supplier on the world map. The following case study has the following data. January 25th, production stopped at suppliers in China. February 3rd, assembly stops in China. February 11th, port operations stops in China. February 25th, shortage in distribution center worldwide. March 11th, restart production in China. March 13th, extended quarantine measures in Europe and USA. The simulation is carried out with three possible scenarios, which is first scenario is localization of epidemic outbreak in China. Second is propagation of epidemic outbreaks in and closure of facilities worldwide. Third is propagation of epidemic outbreaks into markets and demand disruption by 50%. This is the result from the simulation runs. So from this result, which shows the revenue collection, the profit and the lead times. Third, the importance of logistic and supply chains for pandemic condition. Logistics is a part of supply chain process that plans, implements and controls the efficient and effective forward services and related information between the point of origin and the point of consumption. Supply chains industry primarily consists of 6 sectors, of which initial 4 relate to modes of transport such as air, road, maritime and rail. The remaining 2 sectors are primarily responsible for securing the shipment to final destination through careful coordination. The priority of goods supply are first priority given to regime goods, which includes dairy products and fresh vegetables, which needs to be transported immediately. The second priority are neutral goods, which which can be common grocery, but it can be stored for some time. And the cold chain are the goods which can be kept in cold storage for a longer period of time. Using the prediction we seen earlier, the simulations, they can give us a better transportation planning during epidemic. Fourth, the effect of travel restriction on the spread of 2019 novel coronavirus outbreak. With rapid spread of coronavirus disease in 2019 in mainland of China, The simulation modeling result also indicate that there is sustained 90% of travel restriction, and still the our epidemic can be outbreak. The epidemic trajectory, unless combined with 50% or higher reduction rate, is in the community. The simulation were run with 3 reduction ratio of 1, 0.75 and 0.5 were analyzed. The effect of travel restriction. After the effect of travel restriction, the relative risk case of before and after Wuhan lockdown is shown in this slide. Fifth, the customized train of railway. The customized train operated by customized service of passenger. The departure time and total travel time and the travel classes were decided by the passenger's wishes. China has many customized trains running, including for both passenger and freight. Using an adjustment strategy, China used to customize railway very efficiently. During pandemic, they have rescheduled and rerouted most of their train to continue their supply processes. The customized train in India. During pandemic condition, while most of the transportation sectors are closed, the lower class people are stuck in different places of India. The Shramik trains introduced by Indian government are mostly customized train for the stuck labor class people. According to railway officials, there are multiple ways for a train to reach a destination from a source or a originating station, and a rationalized route is one that may not be usual route during normal times. Conclusion. Pandemic COVID-19 has large impact on transportation industries. The primary objective of lockdown was to delay the pandemic, which in turn has closed the transportation sector. In this presentation, we have gone through the prediction of pandemic and its measure, the changes in the transportation industry and how they managed during the pandemic. These are the references used. Thank you.